back, that means you have your pencil, right? Okay, now the second thing I want you to do is pause the video again, because I want you to number every single measure in this piece so that when I say look at measure 19, blah, 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 you know where I am. So pause the video, number every single measure starting with the first measure as measure 1. Okay, come back to me. Okay, you're back. Great. I'm testing you. How many measures are there total? What measure number is the last measure? Did you say 28? I hope not. Did you say 47? I hope not. Did you say 40? Okay, 40 measures. All right. I'm going to start by playing the whole thing through for you very slowly, but this isn't the slow playthrough. That's a different video. I'm going to talk you through the whole thing, but I'm also going to demonstrate at the same time. Now I'm going to cross 2 strings to the E string. When I do, I have to really lower my elbow. I'm up bow on F sharp 1. Same F sharp. Now this is a high 3 on the A string. Your 4 will touch it because you're not going to use an open E there. Then you lower your 3rd finger to a regular D natural. Low 2 C natural. Measure 10 was tricky. You might want to mark every single note in measure 10. Low 2, 1, 3, low 2, 4th finger. Now we have to shift into 3rd position where that 1 is marked. 3rd position is where your 1 is on your 3rd finger tape, or your 1 goes where your 3rd finger is normally. Here is your finger pattern for 3rd position. 1 on the tape, 2 would be where your 4th finger goes. 3 is going to be touching 2, and 4 is going to be a whole step away. So these 2 are touching, these 2 are whole steps. Okay, so we're on 1st finger, up bow in 3rd position, measure 4, low 3. You can find it by putting your 2 down and then touching your 3 to it. 2, 4.
So, if you've just gotten this piece, good luck. This tutorial is going to definitely show you some fingerings. It's going to show you some tips for the bow. We're going to talk a little bit about dynamics and style, and mostly just how to practice this slowly. So, as we get started, let's talk about the default bow position. The balance point happens a few inches out from the frog and the bow grip, and the sweet spot that we're going to stay in is halfway between the fingerboard and the bridge. This is sort of where we get the clearest tone, and it's also a spot right at the balance point where you can really cross strings without any effort. Try it a few times. You'll notice it's much easier than being stuck out at the tip. Wait, pounce, all 4 down, and back. Okay, you notice I like...
Now there's another fingering. We're going to get the B with a 2 instead of a 1. So we're going to pivot in 1st position, pivot, get that B, and then your C is with a 4. Now, this instant here where you end up on a B with a 2, you have to do something called finger substitution. So another thing you can do away from your bass. Play a B with a 4, play a B with a 2. So you're moving around in 1st position. That's very helpful to be comfortable with. Another one.